Hello, Good Shepherd panel members. Welcome to our group pitch addressing the Industry Partner Challenge. In this presentation, according to our conducted research, our group will present our redefined problem statement, the potential user groups that we are targeting, and discussing our proposed solutions in addressing the Industry Partner Challenge. We hope this presentation will give our unique insights in addressing the financial literacy challenges amongst young Australians. To start with, we will go over the key issues in regards to addressing this industry challenge. From our research in identifying potential user groups and reframing the problem statement, we have identified that first-year female unemployed international university students aged between 18 to 22 face many issues when studying abroad and struggle financially in seeking the right support. Some of these stresses that these students face are finding affordable accommodation, budgeting their allowances, language barriers in finding jobs and support, and gender inequalities faced by these female students. Hence, they need appropriate solutions to reduce stress and improve financial literacy. In order to address this problem, we have defined our how might we question as how might we design culturally sensitive and practical financial literacy experiences for empowering first-year female unemployed international university students aged between 18 to 22 to reduce financial stress and build long-term financial confidence. Now, if you would like to take a look at our user persona, this will give a better understanding in how we came to identifying our user group for this challenge. As you can see, our demographics are clearly shown, demonstrating what our target user group sees, hears, feels, and needs, their likes and hobbies, and what are their gains and pain points, financially speaking. Having redefined the problem and identifying our key user group, we have proposed several solutions in order to improve the lives of our users.
In order to reduce their financial stress and build financial long-term confidence, initially, we launched an official TikTok account, a platform that's widely used by international first-year female unemployed university students. Secondly, with attention to cultural and gender sensitivity, we recruit diverse group of female students, both current undergraduates and successful graduates, to co-create a series of short-form financial literacy videos. These videos will reflect real-life financial challenges and experiences relevant to female students from various backgrounds. The video content will be divided into three categories. The first category is entertaining challenges, such as how to survive on 100 Australian dollars a week, or the difference between start of the month with the end of the month. The second one is engaging personal experience sharings. For example, how I manage my spending on makeup, how to build long-term financial well-being. The third one is educational short talks. It is to deliver essential financial concepts like 3 tax tips that every woman should know. Thirdly, content will be continuously improved based on viewer engagement, playback data, and comments. In the future, we can expand the series into the medical campaigns and integrate with university financial education programs.
Now that we've introduced the core idea, let's take a close look at why this solution is not only creative but also highly practical. I'll break it down using 3 key criteria: desirable, viable, and feasible. We know that around half of Australians aged 18 to 24 use short video platforms like TikTok regularly, with slightly more female users than male. This tells us something important. Young people aren't just online. They are actively looking for content that's fun, visual, and easy to connect with. When it comes to learning, they prefer quick, relatable formats over than traditional methods. That's why we are proposing a peer-led short video initiative, hosted on TikTok or similar platforms. Through this, students can create and share bite-sized financial tips on topics like budgeting, avoiding scams, opening a bank account, and more. To ensure quality and inclusivity, the content will be co-created with universities and community organizations, making it both trustworthy and relevant. This approach is desirable because it meets young people where they already are, on platforms they use every day. It's viable as it directly supports Gucci Pearl's mission to empower young Australians to become confident financial advocates. And it's feasible because short-form videos are simple to create, low cost to promote, and easy to scale across communities. Beyond the DVF framework, we further assess the solution using several strategic tools and considerations. From a strategic planning perspective, we use the impact effort matrix to assess the initiative implementation value. Short videos fall into the high impact, low effort quadrant, making them an ideal entry point with a strong return on effort. We also considered stakeholder roles and responsibility to ensure accountability and smooth cooperation. Students are positioned as content creators, organizations provide oversight, Gucci Pearl acts as an enabler, and sponsors contribute fundings and visibility. Finally, we address the intellectual property and ethical considerations to support sustainable content creation. Students retain ownership of their content, creators are properly credited, and privacy and data use will be managed under clear and transparent terms. With support from sponsors, government programs, and financial institutions, this initiative has the potential to grow into a nationwide movement, created by students for students.
With our audience being young female university students, we've decided as a group to come up and make a TikTok account to challenge this issue. You may be asking, how will this work? Well, having challenges, funny videos, including how to spend $100 in 1 week, something small as that can really change how a person thinks. In this example, how females think about spending their money. Having young female influencers also make videos showing their personal experience and showing how they've struggled in the past and how they've overcame this can also make females, like them in their age, take tips and tricks on how to save. We can also have sponsorships and brands get involved in this. You may be asking, how would this work? For example, we could have a trend going for a shorter period of time, and we could have people try to attempt that trend. If people successfully attempt that trend, well then sponsorships could give them a deal like a 50% off the next purchase or a gift card. How would this help? Well, people can look off these trends and see how other people their age are being able to attack financial problems that they be facing, and maybe other females be facing as well. Altogether, people can take ideas from one another and use them in their everyday life. Our test card could be small girls' short videos. We believe that enhancing financial awareness improves females' confidence through these short video topics. To verify that, we will make simple questionables such as, do you think these short videos are particular for you? Do these videos help you change some financial management behaviors? Asking these simple questions can make young viewers think about, are these videos working, and ways that we can improve them.
The TikTok videos received high view counts and active engagement through comments. Questionnaire results also showed strong user interest and positive attitudes toward this format. These findings confirm that short-form, peer-led video content is an effective way to engage young audiences on financial topics.
Hi everyone, here is our 3-step implementation plan to bring this idea to life. Step 1 is planning. We will finalize video content ideas based on student needs and set up a TikTok account in collaboration with Good Shepherd. And step 2 is production. Next, we will recruit student volunteers to create short and relatable financial videos. This will film and published over several weeks. And step 3 is feedbacks. Finally, We will monitor engagement data like views, comments, and survey responses. This helps us evaluate what works best and improve the next run of content. Our timeline is simple, cost-efficient, effective, and designed to be scalable using platforms students already use. To make this project real, we invite Good Shepherd to support our video campaign with official branding and promote it through your existing networks and co-create a long-term initiative. Smart girls, smart money. Together, we can empower young women with their practical financial confidence through creative storytelling. Thank you.